rocked it out.
That's right.
That was awesome. Man, all these talented performers, they make me want to try to learn a new skill at some of these things that I've seen tonight. But it's not going to be music, because when I sing, people ask me to stop very quickly. But maybe I could do some of the Tai Chi and Kung Fu that I've seen here.
Yes, that's right. You're absolutely right. Tai Chi is a good Kung Fu style that is good for all kinds of ages. And if you walk down the Chinese street, you will see people from all ages practice Tai Chi. Hey, you know what? You want to try some move?
Sure.
Okay, why not, right? Okay, so stand right here, all right? The first move called the Qi Shi. So you gotta flow it and slow, go down and split your leg. Easy.
Got it?
You okay?
Yeah.
And try now. Raise your hand. You gotta feel the Qi, okay?
The Qi, so I like Swiss?
Yes, cheddar to be exact. And then go, there's a ball. All right, come out, there's a ball. Did you see the ball?
I missed it.
Okay. Where's your ball? I guess it's somewhere. Okay, that should be your Qi. That's a Qi.
Okay.
Do you feel it?
Can't say I do.
All right, Qi is a really, Chinese martial arts believe that Qi is an energy, flow of energy inside your body that can help you to regulate your body, immune system, help you to fight disease. And of course, that's what they believe, right? It's actually working somehow, So, the thing is, the next performance is actually gonna show you what's really about a Qi. So next performance is called Flow as a Walk as a Cloud, Flow as a Water. Brought to you by Rouge Tai Chi and the Kung Fu Academy. 大家我就不用多说太极是什么东西了吧？大家中国人都了解太极是什么，所以接下来的一个节目是很有意思的，是太极和武术还有舞蹈一起结合的一个节目，叫做行云流水，希望大家能够满意是由庄氏功夫和太极学校带给大家的，Enjoy。